Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's going to be a very eventful week, so that's why I thought of filming a week in my life. So, let's talk about what is actually happening. Raksha Bandhan is in this week, it's on Saturday, but before that, on Thursday, it's my sister's birthday. So, I have a younger sister. I am the one who's going to do all the prep and plan, and I have some things to do. Last year also, I vlogged her birthday, so I thought this year also we'll do it, but this time we have two different events in the same week, so it's even more exciting and eventful. It's Monday, and we are starting the week and we have a lot of things to do. Today, we are going to the nail salon. I am not getting my nails done. I mean, I am going to do gel polish at home. I have the whole kit. So I'm gonna do that. My sister wants to get like a different kind of design, so that's why she wants to go to the nail salon. So I'm gonna accompany her, and the one which we are going to go today is a new nail salon. She doesn't know the people or the place, so that's why she wanted me to come. Otherwise wo jati hai akele hi. So I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna take my Kindle with me, and after that we are gonna go and place order for the cake. We have to finalize the cake design, which I think we'll do at the nail salon because और कुछ काम नहीं है वहाँ पे. So I'm gonna take you all with me, so let's go. It's the next day, and we came home very late yesterday. It took almost 2.5 hours for the nails to get done, like for my sister to get her nails done. And it was a very boring process for me. So I started this book, Love and Lattes, at Pumpkin Hollow. I know it's a fall book, but I received the arc, so I decided to read it. I read almost 20%, which is good. और ज़्यादा पढ़ सकती थी मैं. 2 घंटे में मैं इतना सा नहीं पढ़ सकती, but the nail salon was playing some songs, and I need complete utter silence when I am reading. Otherwise, I can't read. Music, like if there's some tune playing, that's fine. But अगर कोई गा रहा है तो I keep on my entire focus shifts to that, especially when I know the songs. Like हिंदी songs चल रहे थे तो I knew the songs, or I was listening to the lyrics unconsciously or unintentionally. Anyways, so I read 20%. It was good that I read at least 20% and the time was not wasted. Let's talk about today's to-do list. What do I have to do? Huh, I have to go to a market and get some stuff for the birthday decor. So I have some things in my mind. I have made a list, so I have to get all those things, and I have to go to another market to exchange a piece, and they are not near each other. They are like 10 stations apart. So I am like mentally preparing myself to go to both the places because otherwise मुझे कल जाना पड़ेगा एक जगह पे, and I don't want to go out tomorrow. I want to stay at home and get all the things done जो भी घर पे करनी है चीज़ें, या like wrapping gifts or figuring out few things. Like मुझे कुछ कुछ चीज़ें जो है वो घर पे ऐसे इधर उधर रखी हुई होती है for decor. So I want to get everything together, tidy up everything. Like there are other things obviously, so I want to do that. I want to do my own nails जो आज या फिर कल करेंगे शाम को, I don't know when. So I want to do those as well. So there's a lot going on, and today we are gonna go to the market. I don't know, मैं अकेली जा रही हूँ, so I don't know if I'll film because yesterday my sister was there. So जब मेरे साथ कोई होता है ना, then I'm very okay with filming anything and everything because I know somebody is there with me. So I don't look like a fool who is holding the camera, holding her phone and like shooting everything. So, and especially that place was very chill and quiet and not a lot of people were there, right? So it was easier. But the markets are already very crowded, and I have to be very aware of the situation and the people around me and make sure my things are with me, and like take care of all my belongings and stuff like that. I don't know how much I will film, but I will give you a haul once I come back home. So yeah, let's go. Talking about the book, I almost forgot. I am thinking about telling you what the book is about in this video. It's, as you can tell, a very small town vibe is there. It's fall, and our main character Willow, her father has a farm and she is running that farm with him, but he is not really in a good shape, so he doesn't do much around the farm, and the farm is very huge for two people to handle it. It does well in spring and summer, but in fall and winter it's very difficult for them to get by and the bills keep on piling. So now her father is thinking about selling this farm to some construction company and they are gonna build some houses on that farm. But Willow doesn't want to give up the farm. She asks her father for 6 weeks, like till October end. Right, the book starts in September, so till October end, and she's going to turn her farm into the pumpkin patch kind of a situation where it will be very eventful and people can come and have a good time. That's what is going on. But they have a meeting with the construction company, like the person who comes down to the farm to talk to these father and daughter. He comes down to discuss the plans. That guy and Willow struck a deal that he will stay on the farm and see how difficult it is to manage the entire farm and how difficult it is to go through everything and how important it is for her. And if she doesn't turn it to be profitable, the pumpkin patch thing, then he can, like, she's going to say okay to selling the farm. So that's what kind of a deal they have. So he's going to stay on the farm. Interesting. And as you can tell from the cover that it has very, what is the name of that book? Pumpkin Spice Cafe. It has very pumpkin spice cafe vibes. 20% through it, they have just struck the deal. They are gonna start now. They're gonna, obviously they will start having some chemistry. So we are gonna see how the things progress, and I'm gonna keep on updating it to you. It's the next day and I went to both the markets yesterday. बट एक मार्केट में मेरा काम जल्दी से हो गया, बट सेकेंड मार्केट में जो चाहिए था वो मिल ही नहीं रहा था. सो आई वेंट टू द स्टेशनरी शॉप वेयर आई बाय स्टिकर्स और all the stationery things. They have a really good selection and the prices are relatively low comparing to other stores in the market as well as online. So I really like to visit that store whenever I go there, like whenever I visit that market. I specifically wanted some stamps. So मेरे पास vintage stamps है, like vintage typewriter font वाला stamp है ABCD, but I wanted the modern type of font. But वो, I don't know, I didn't like the font. One of them was really small and I wanted like thoda sa bada. So I didn't get those, but I did get these stickers. बहुत सारे थे, but I don't know. I mean, I like the white outline वाले जो stickers होते हैं ना. I like those. Transparent वाले मुझे इतने पसंद नहीं है. I don't know. I think ये भी transparent नहीं है. And there are 4 sheets. I really like these. These are like the cafe thing. So there are 4 sheets. So these are the 4 sheets. And I also got this ribbon for the decor. So I wanted a wrapping paper, but wrapping paper भी ऐसे डजन में थे and like कि मैं क्या करूँगी इसका, especially if I'm buying something specific color specific theme के लिए if I'm buying, तो मैं 12 का क्या करूँ, 6 भी बहुत है. So I got normal chart paper. So I'm gonna DIY it. I was initially thinking कि मैं इसके ऊपर I can do DIYs, like I can draw some hearts or gingham pattern or something like that. But now that I have checked Pinterest, now I'm confused because वहाँ पे plain white पे ribbon थी. But again I'm it's like कि मैं क्या करूँ क्या नहीं करूँ, I don't know, because I need this for other decor purpose as well. So what if this is not enough और मैं decor के बदले gift पे ही इसको waste कर दूँ. So maybe I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap things up, like wrap the gifts, do the DIY thingy mostly. That's what I'm planning. एक दो पे मैं DIY कर दूंगी, like some doodles and stuff, and एक दो मैं plain रखूंगी so that अगर कल ये ribbon बची I'll add the ribbon to the gifts. ठीक है, what I got I'll show it to you. I don't know because I don't think she will show it to you, right? So I have this cute pouch. So इसके अंदर jewelry pieces है. Wait, so this is the pouch in which it's very cute. It's pink. Then we have, oh wait, let me show you. My brain. I did the gel nails. I don't know, ये लाइट में बहुत अच्छे दिख रहे हैं. Actually वो नेचुरल लाइट में बहुत अच्छे दिख रहे हैं. But I don't know, normal ट्यूब लाइट या फिर नॉर्मल लाइट अंडर आर्टिफिशियल लाइट दे आर नॉट लुकिंग दैट ग्रेट, सो आई वाज थिंकिंग ऑफ रिमूविंग देम, बट अभी ये वीडियो पे अच्छा लग रहा है, आई डोंट नो, मे बी आई कीप देम, मे बी आई remove those. I don't know. There's a cute nail paint pack of 3 lip glosses, lipsticks. I think lipsticks, so she can try these out and figure out कि उसको क्या पसंद है इसमें से. Then there are some jewelry pieces. एक और है. So it's like an entire set. I'm gonna wrap this one up. Then I got her these sticker DIY things. So इसमें ये जो है ये वाला बेसिकली ये कर सकते हैं, इसके लिए सारे स्टिकर्स दिए हैं एंड यू कैन पेस्ट दो स्टिकर्स बेसिकली एंड देर आर 10 of these. सो आई गॉट हर 10. एक दो मैं भी करूँगी. आई गॉट हर, आई एम बेसिकली ट्राइंग to get her things which are either useful or hobbies. It is like a digital detox के लिए जो चीज़ें चाहिए होती है वो चीज़ें हैं. So I have this cute coloring book. It's really good. Like there are a lot of cute pages. Like this is a very cute room desk. This is a farm cheese shop. So, but ये करने के लिए she will need some pens, right? So I also got some pens. So this is like 12 ka set each. So these are pastel ones and this is the normal color. So I got both so that वैरायटी रहेगी एंड शेडिंग वेडिंग करना होगा तो शी कैन डू इट बिकॉज शी इज गुड इन आर्ट. सो ये सब है. एक्चुअली आई वांटेड टू गेट हर समथिंग एल्स एज वेल जो थोड़े बिगर गिफ्ट लाइक मेन गिफ्ट जो था वो लेना था. अभी तक उसका डिसाइड नहीं है कि उसको क्या चाहिए कि क्या स्पेसिफिकली. अगर वो डिसाइड हो गया तो आई गेट इट फॉर हर. विल सी. सो राइट नाउ आई एम गोना रैप दीज अप. दैट्स अबाउट इट. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं है इस बार. सैड. So I'm gonna wrap these things up now and I'll show you the final result. Yeah. I didn't really talk to you after my sister's birthday. It's just that I was busy with all the prep and helping with food and stuff. I didn't even vlog the food. It was ragda batters. My sister wanted ragda batters, so that's what we did, and we did the whole setup. That this was our Pinterest inspiration. Like this was the reference image, and we tried to do the same very candlelit aesthetic kind of a situation. So I really loved how the pictures turned out. These are the pictures. And then we cut the cake, had food. So it was very cute, sweet, low key. After that, on Friday, I had some work. So I was busy with that. So I didn't really vlog anything. On Saturday, it was Raksha Bandhan. So all my buas came to our house. And my cousins were also here. So it was a very full house. It was very chaotic, very fun, and I was so busy. And the moment I literally sat down, first thing that came to my mind was like, I didn't vlog anything. Like literally, I didn't vlog anything. So after that, when I was tying Rakhi to my sister, like she also tied one to me. So we tie Rakhi to each other, and also one of my cousin tied Rakhi. So there are two. So That's what we did. That's the only clip probably I have. I don't know if I have a lot of clips from that day. We went to Mama's place, tied Rakhi's there. So it was like a double get together on a single day. So very fun, very chaotic, very tiring. It was a very long day basically. And Sunday was again super low key. जस्ट कुछ नहीं किया सब जगह से सिर्फ चीजें उठा के जगह पे लाइक वट एवर मेस वॉज क्रिएटेड बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स एवरीथिंग वॉज टेकन आउट फॉर वट एवर रीजन लाइक द डेकोर और वट एवर सो एवरीथिंग हैड टू गो बैक सो आई रीऑर्गेनाइज्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फेस्टिवल्स के दूसरे दिन वाली चीज़ें जो करनी होती है वो मैंने की and I read. I didn't really read Love and Lattes at Pumpkin Hollow after that particular day. Like from the Monday, I after that I didn't read that. I'm reading another book for another video, and I wanted to finish that book so that I can upload that video. So I haven't really gotten time, but I will eventually finish it. Apart from that, I have nothing else. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you like this type of vlogs, like very eventful days in my life kind of a vlog, then just give a thumbs up or comment a heart so that I know that you like the this type of video, and I will film more. I'm thinking, what will I do after that? Of course, I'll film more. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.